Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Shrishti Reacts. Today we are diving into the Samurai Turned Pretty Season 3 Episode 7 and specifically that belly knocking on the wall scene that so many of you were talking about in the comment section. There's actually a big difference between how Jenny Han wrote it in the book and how it plays out in the show, and it's super important for understanding Belly's love story. So let's break it down for you. So, in the book, after Conrad confesses his feelings to Belly, she doesn't go back to her own room. Instead, she goes into Jeremiah's room. Jeremiah is passed out facing the other way, and Belly lies down next to him. She quietly says, I love you to his back, even when though he doesn't hear it. And that moment is Jenny showing us Belly choosing Jeremiah in the book, at least for then. But in the show, Jenny Han made a very deliberate change, guys. Instead of Jeremiah, Belly goes back to her own room. And who's there? Taylor. Belly then knocks on the wall, this childhood ritual she used to share with Jeremiah, expecting him to knock back, but he doesn't. And that silence is very symbolic. Jeremiah has never really been there for Belly in the way she's always needed. So this is where Jenny is dropping hints for us. If you look closely all throughout season 3, the show keeps reminding us of one thing. Conrad is always there for Belly. Let me break it down with some examples. The Christmas scene. Belly's feeling completely alone. No one is with her. She's struggling emotionally and she decides to escape to the summer house. Who does she find there like fate? Conrad. He didn't plan it for her, but he's there at exactly the moment she needs someone. The wedding chaos. When Belly is overwhelmed because her mom won't come to the wedding, who actually stays behind to support her? Conrad. The Michael's ride. Belly is stranded and upset because Jeremiah isn't there on time to take her to Michael's. And once again, Conrad steps in without hesitation. Like he becomes the one to make sure she gets where she needs to go, proving that he shows up when it actually matters. I mean, Belly's mom, Laurel, isn't supportive of the wedding. But who convinced her? It was Conrad. He takes the time to speak to Laurel to reassure her and to convince her that Belly's feelings are valid. And that's a huge deal because it's not just about Belly. Conrad is actively supporting her relationships with the people she loves. The unicorn memory. We even see it in flashbacks. Belly loved unicorns as a kid and Conrad remembered that. He made sure to bring her this big unicorn gift. It shows how he notices the smallest details about her, the kind of details Jeremiah never holds on to. The bicycle scene, this one really says it all. Jeremiah gets frustrated because Belly is too slow and suggests they leave her behind. But Conrad refuses. He patiently waited and even offered his own bike so that she can keep going. I mean, that's just not patience, that's love. That's seeing someone's pace, their struggles, and still choosing to stay right beside them. These aren't grand gestures or, dramatic gestures. But, they're consistent, quiet moments where Conrad shows that he's always paying attention and always putting Belly first. Now, compare that with Jeremiah. He cares for Belly, but often in surface level, I feel. During the wedding prep, he's more focused on impressing his dad than supporting Belly. And when he cheated on her, he didn't really grasp how serious that was. His solution was to propose not out of maturity, but out of fear of losing her. Belly accepted at the time because she was vulnerable and she had nearly lost her brother and didn't want to lose Jeremiah too. But that's not real love, guys. That's fear. That ties into the bathroom conversation that Belly had with Taylor so beautifully. Belly admits that she never really pictured the wedding or the dress. The only thing she ever pictured was Conrad. Because for Belly, love is Conrad, guys. That's who she pictured when she thought about her future. Even if things got messy because of Conrad's grief over Susanna's death, Belly's heart has always belonged to him. And that's why the knocking scene is so powerful. It shows that Jeremiah was never really her person. Even in the smallest, quietest moment, he was not. So yeah, that one scene I feel holds a lot more weight than it seems on the surface. And Jenny Han is showing us that Belly's heart has always been with Conrad. And Jeremiah, as much as he tries, just doesn't fill that role. So, what do you guys think? Do you agree that the wall knock was symbolic of Jeremiah not being that person? Or do you think that Jenny Han has basically left it open to interpretation? Let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more TSITP deep dives. Thank you.